Welcome back to Sunday Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on iTonga from the 2nd to the 6th of June 2025 on Monday. An explosive night lead to shocking consequences, leaving Sanele scrambling to hide his betrayal from Umbali. Pinda's thirsty for power grows dangerously as he burst in Pablo's recognition, but a harsh reality check awaits on Tuesday. Sanele struggled to make peace with what Banele has done, while also struggling to bait off Zama's advances. Pinda's resentment of the Ntanze reaches boiling point on Wednesday. Mbali wrestled with Sanele, telling her bold-faced lies. Zama's feelings for Sanele deepened. Pinda commits a cardinal sin against Pablo on Thursday. Pinda worries that Mduduzi knows what he's done. Sanele struggled to accept that his biggest helper may turn into the biggest problem in his life on Friday. The missing cash threatens to fracture a strong relationship between brothers. Sanele and Zama's union hangs by a thread as Banele and Bali's intentions becomes stronger. Well guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.